What?
You said I love stupid people. Stole the fucking gas pump. What the fuck? Fuck my life. My day is ruined. That ruins your day. You should be shot. Like, that's something I get like pissed off for like 30 seconds about. But no one's ever quick enough to steal the gas pump from me because like I'm the kind of person that's like, that dude's almost done, but my gas tank's on the wrong side, so I'm gonna back in behind him. And then whenever he pulls out, you just like back in, so somebody's like, oh shit, there's already a car there. It's like magic. It's like they're facing the wrong way. That's not fair. It's like, it's totally fucking fair. First come, first serve, motherfucker. I was smart. You were an idiot. Yay, eugenics.
I just can't believe it. She's fat and she's from Virginia.
I think that's weird. She's fat and she's from Virginia. I think that's the worst of the three.